Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I will show you how you can boot this tablet into safe mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Here you will find a power button. When you see your boot options, you want to hold power off. When you do so, it will change into safe mode after a moment. From here, we're just going to click on it to initiate a reboot, and this will reboot the device, and when it boots back up, it automatically will boot into the safe mode. Now that being said, safe mode is designed to troubleshoot your device. If you don't have any problems, there is really no reason for you to boot into it. And the reason I'm mentioning that is because in safe mode, there we go. In safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will work. So any application that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, and neither you nor the app itself can start. And obviously, that kind of defeats the purpose of having a smart device that only runs a couple applications that come pre-installed. So just kind of wanted to mention that. And as you can see, now that the device is back on, we do have a watermark letting us know that we are in said mode. And you can also see that a bunch of applications now became monochrome and also semi-transparent, like notes, calendar, clock, widgets, and several other ones that you can see right here. These are all the applications that will not run. So if you try to open them up, as you can see, it gives you the pop-up downloaded apps disabled and in safe mode. Though this shouldn't really be the downloaded app, considering I haven't downloaded it. It just came with the device. So, you know. Funnily enough, there's a bunch of Samsung applications that are turned off, as you can see. So all these applications like the calendar, clock, and calculators and all that stuff, these are default applications that come with this device, and yet they don't run here. So it only leaves you a couple applications to play around with. Now anyway, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, all you would need to do is pull down your notifications again, select your power button, and this time around tap on restart. The device will boot back up, and once it does, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.